What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the invalid destination address on your Xiaomi phone. So to fix this issue, first of all swipe down to open quick settings panel. Now from here turn on and off flight mode 2 to 3 times. Now after this, if you're still facing the same issue, then tap and hold on the messages app, then tap on this information icon and then go to the storage of app. Now clear this cache memory of the messages app. So to clear this, tap on clear data and then tap on clear cache. Now tap on OK to confirm, and after clearing the cache memory, the invalid destination address issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the invalid destination address on your Xiaomi phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.